In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an iCloud account to Gmail on your iPhone. So the very first thing you need to do is make sure you have the Gmail application installed, and then you can go and open up the application. Click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and then select Add Another Account. Click on iCloud from the list of options, and before we go and add our iCloud account, we just need to go and set a password. Now to do this, just minimize out of Gmail, and what we're going to do is open up an internet browser. I'll be using Safari, and then just head over to the website iCloud.com and press enter, and go and sign in with your Apple account. Now once you're signed in, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and click on Manage Apple Account. Now you may get a sign in request. You can just press allow, and at the top of this page you're going to see all of your different emails and phone numbers associated with your Apple account, and this is where you'll be able to find the email address associated with your iCloud account. So the first thing we're going to do is just click on email and phone numbers, and then you can go and copy your iCloud email address. You can then head back over to the Gmail application and go and paste in the email and press next. Click on next again, and before we can add this, we'll also need to create a password. Now head back over to your internet browser, click on the cross icon in the top left hand side and scroll down and click on app specific passwords. Click on generate an app specific password, give this the name of Gmail and press create. Now go and enter the password for your Apple account. And as you can see, this is going to generate us an app-specific password for Gmail. So what we need to do is go and type this in to Gmail. Now you can try to copy and paste it, but for some reason this doesn't always work. So you may need to go and enter it manually. So let's just head back over to the Gmail application and go and enter the password that we just copied. And once you've entered the password, press next in the top right hand side. You can decide whether you want to save the password. I'm just going to press not now. Click on next. Go and set up a name for your Gmail account and then press next again. And just like that, we have now added this iCloud to Gmail. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful.